Hey guys, and welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. Today's my favorite type of video. Amazing finds from Dollar Tree that you will actually use and love, that will save you a lot of money. We are diving in. Oh my goodness, one of my favorite finds is this gingham style fleece scarf for $1. This is definitely channeling Chip and Joanna Gaines in their line at Target. This could be used on a table setting or even as a scarf. You cannot beat this price point. Do you guys remember when I redid this room with Rebecca Robeson? She was the one who suggested that you put runners this way on the table rather than the long way. So smart. Charger plates are back and they finally have them again in silver. And I love the finish on this. They also brought back this Nautical Rope, which makes for amazing DIYs. I've been seeing this at more and more stores recently. I'm even using these little wreaths just like that to put the pumpkins in, just for some texture. They had these little tea light holders, which are also beautiful decor and look great on a table for a centerpiece. I can be kind of wary of Dollar Tree candles, but this luminescence pumpkin spice is incredible. The throw is great. I highly recommend it if you're like me and you love pumpkin. You cannot go wrong. I'm trying to decorate a couple of other rooms in the house, and I found this wall art that says love is the answer. I love the message and I love this style. They have so many of these right now. I know it's a little early for Christmas, but this stuff sells out, and these are brand new, really quality products. They have solid wood rolling pins. Make sure to subscribe because you're gonna see how I use these in a DIY. This is a fantastic deal. I'm really picky about my florals, but these sprigs are one of my favorite. These absolutely will rival what you find at the higher end craft stores, and you can combine them with these beautiful wreaths, and you can imagine putting some sort of candle with this, doing something on a tablescape. They also have really pretty burlap ribbon, and this stuff sells out super fast because the price is so low. A new organizing product that all of the stores seem to be getting that I am a huge fan of are these towel bars. Now this is gonna go right over the sink so your kids can really easily get to the towels. At $1, you can't beat the price, and I think the quality is good. Where's Owen? Where's Peekaboo? Now you know how Dollar Tree works. When they get that excess inventory of name brand stuff, keep your eyes peeled. You guys, these are such good stocking stuffers and gift ideas. The first thing is this Zest body wash. This retails for between $5 and $7 from Walmart, and it is just $1. They have my favorite Say Yes to Carrot products, which are the charcoal one, as well as the blueberry wipes. These smell awesome and are several dollars from the drugstore. However, my favorite finds were these Yes to Cotton masks. I saw these at CVS for $2.99 and they're just $1 a piece. I love these. They're also carrying Scrunchy brand and a ton of new hair tools that are so expensive in other stores. My personal favorite have been these little bows. I've been wearing them in Instagram stories and you guys have been asking where I got them. They are totally from the Dollar Tree. These are $5 to $6 in other stores.
Like dust in the wind, or the talk of the town that we are living in. Well, I don't know.
Anything I purchase from the Dollar Tree, I want to be super intentional about, that I'm using and have a plan for. Be sure to subscribe so you can see how I use all of this stuff, especially if you like Dollar Tree videos. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
Hi, viewers. Look what I got.
Where are they from, Carson?
Dollar Tree. Don't put it in the toilet.
Yeah, that's right. We don't put it in the toilet. We learned that lesson, right?
Right.
That looks excellent. Thank you.
Welcome.